We were sailing on waves of silver, there were echoes in the wind. When we raised our sails to capture them, the ship was lifted up and in, and we sang, oh, oh, oh. Now the country that we came from, they play silver melodies, and the kings and queens all write their dreams on silver pages we would read, and we sing, oh, 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 oh. We will cross any water, and if we find there's a song that's getting stronger, we will sound all our silver songs, and we will know where they belong. Now the echoes were getting louder, and a chorus filled the air. When the voices fell, they broke the spell that tied us to our silver chairs, and we sang, oh, 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 oh. We were taken through the shadows, we were carried through the night. When the sun appeared, my God, my fears of silver melted in the light, and we saw the world with different eyes, and we sang, oh.